In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the drive motor. This is a view of the front of the control valve. In order to access the drive motor, we will need to view the back side of the power head cover. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the 4 screws that are located in each corner of the power head. The front cover will then easily tilt forward and away from the power head housing assembly. Keep in mind that there's not a lot of slack related to multiple wires that are connected to the front display board. Carefully wiggle and detach the multi-pin connectors from the display board. The first being the white drive motor connector, followed by the red power connector, followed by the white meter cable connection, and finally the micro switch connection, and then set the display cover aside. The drive motor is located on the right side of the power head. Using a crosshead screwdriver, remove the 2 small screws holding the motor in place. Then remove the drive motor away from the power head and either set it aside or dispose of it. Before installing the new motor, make note of the center hole at the end of the drive motor shaft. This aligns with a stainless steel guide pin that is part of the power head body. Place the drive motor into position, ensuring the shaft aligns with the guide pin and that the teeth are properly meshed with the power head's gear, while also aligning the mounting holes. Then place the 2 small screws that hold the drive motor in place and tighten. Next, connect the multi-pin connectors to the display board while keeping in mind that the connectors are color-coded and keyed to fit in only one orientation. Then reposition the front cover back into place, and while holding the front cover in position, use the crosshead screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws back into place. You have now successfully replaced the drive motor.
Visit us at www.canaturewg.com.